Me original. See me? Me I go work at one station on a corner there, but you know the station already. See it? Right now I'm in a Brixton town. I just get the idea. I say, me original. I want to tell everybody that I'm original, man. See? Yeah. Now build a thing for the youth there. Because when I love what I go on, when I love how them a take out them knife, them mother knife out of them kitchen. Them mother kitchen. And them a go around and call themselves Posse Gang and them thing there. Yeah? And I take another youth life. You see me? Them call it whatever them call it. But when I love it. I just me deal with and me are the governor about it. Me a real bad man, a real life. Me I tell you, glamour black says. See it? Yeah? And me are the real lion art. Author. You don't have to worry where me forward from me now, but you know I say, me a Jamaica, me come off a rock. 100%. See it? Full 100, yeah? Anything what I say, me are the governor about it. Run station, run area code. You hear that? Yeah. Serious, man. I put it on road. I know the code. You see me? I chill it and I build it. I'm out and I'm bad. I tell you, sir, stop killing one another. Stop going in another kitchen and draw a knife and want to take another boy's life. Or another girl's life. Stop it. You see me? We don't want to know why among family and them things there. You see, family, you have to have a road, you have to have a tree. Build it. I said, we build it and chill it. But you know the thing, I take it right to the world and make the world know that. You see me? Me are the real governor. I don't deal with government and them things, FBI, the whole of them, CIA, the whole of them. I don't deal with them. Judge our Lion says so. So check out my thing. All the love what I bring out of my heart, a real heart, because lion crying now. Lion crying now. Don't feel it's a bad man to cry. Lion cry every day. When I say are you dead or something going on in a place, in a community, and anywhere in the world, Jamaica be a thing. I want to stop it because I'm a government. You see when I come here, everything sees, I hear camera fire. Real thing. I'm a real bad man in a life. The only thing I do is strive for it. I have to build it for the youth them. Children are going to suffer. They want to know the hour. Know my style. Wicked and wild. I build it and chill it. The only thing I do in a life, a real life, my dream. I'm going to run it separate. No, I'm the security in the dream. See my brethren now. Yo, Mark, come tell them, say, yo, I real life I live in a Brixton board.